why you guys are seeing that the lip is like this and not like this. But then I actually feel this one too is not bad though. Which one do you like? Comment down in the comment section. Hey there, it's so nice to have you on my channel today. So today's look is basically what you're looking at right now. So I'm going to be creating this magic. So if you guys want to know how I did this, then you definitely want to stay tuned to the end of this video. In case you're wondering why I'm going into the eye work, that means you probably not checked my previous video. I did a video on how to draw your brows like a pro, so you guys would definitely want to check out that video if you want to know how I created these bomb ass brows. So now the eye work is basically simple. I went in with a deep purple and now I'm going in with a black gel liner. I don't want it to just be like a straight wing line and all like that. I wanted to make the outer part of the eye kind of smoky. Shall you get? Yeah. So after that is done, I'm just going to go into my eyeshadow. Sorry, my black eyeshadow, just to intensify the darkness and to just bring it out and make it pop more. Yeah, so it's quite important that you blend your eyeshadow well. You blend the lines, make sure that you blend it perfectly well. So after that is done, I'm going to be going into my powder palette and I'm going to be using those two light shades at the inner corner of my eye. We are going to use the Kiss Beauty mascara just to apply some volume to the small lashes or short lashes that I have. And then I'm using that orangey just to blend it well. Now to the skin work, I'm using the Kiss Beauty serum and just using that to hydrate my face, basically just skin prep and all. After that is done, we're going into moisturizer. Now this moisturizer, I would advise you get the Blossom moisturizer. The moisturizer is okay, or the simple moisturizer, so those ones are quite affordable. Yeah, so we're going to try to apply that generously on our face. Please don't be stingy with your moisturizer. Skin prep is very important. Now after that is done, this is, what is it called, primer. Yes, I'm using the Adventure primer and I'm just going to press that into my skin. Now because I kind of sweat at my T-zones and my makeup tends to break, I'm going to be using that Adventure. Why is this stuff moving so fast now? This is me that is talking so. Hey Jesus, foundation. Oh god, I'm lost. This is the Blossom foundation in 002 plus Milani foundation in 12 spiced almond. And then what you guys told me do was just to spray my face before blending in the foundation with this brush. Guys, I noticed that this foundation is light. It's just too light, and I really apologize. That's a very big mistake. And you guys, that's something you guys need to learn from. Actually, please try as much as possible to make sure that your foundation blends with your next sheet and it's not just looking like two different colors, like you're wearing a max or something. So this beauty blender is what I'm using to just press everything into my skin and blend it well. Plus I noticed that I applied too much product. Even my concealer, my foundation was just too much. Please guys, let's check that. This 2022, not too much makeup, my dear. Let's try to look natural as possible. So this is the High Magic concealer and I'm just applying that. And the reason why I extended the concealer to the outer part, as you guys can see, was because I wanted to just have that nice pretty lines, because the outer corner of my eye work is kind of dark. I don't know if you guys get my point. So I just wanted that smoky straight line ish design to show. So I'm trying to blend it. Now something I noticed is that please let's try as much as possible not to apply too much pressure on our beauty blender. We're just trying to push it into our skin, not to like force it into our skin. So that's it. I feel like I'm talking too much. I'm contouring my face basically just to bring out cheekbone and I'm contouring my nose too, just to kind of create an illusion that my nose is actually slimmer than it is. Whatever. And so after that is done, you may go into using your setting powder. I'm using a translucent setting powder. Blossom setting powder is highly recommended. What other setting powder is there in market again that is kind of not pricey? You could use Adventure products. They are hot Nigerian brands basically. I use a lot of Nigerian brands. I'm a Nigerian babe. We need to rep our culture. We need to rep our nation. Yep. So I'm doing a reverse contour on my nose. And what is this I'm doing? Yeah. Basically applying setting powder on places I highlighted, and I'm going into my powder and I'm picking my shade and I'm just using that to powder the other parts of my face that I actually did not apply a setting powder on. And yeah, I'm just trying to please apply your powder generously. Yeah, thanks and God bless. Ladies and gentlemen, call me the master in fixing lashes. A whole honest glam. They fix lashes. I'm so proud of how this lashes came out. You guys will see it better. Guys, are you seeing these lashes? Are you seeing this application? It legit looks like it's my natural lash, and I'm like super obsessed with how these lashes look. Like, it's so perfect. It's not too long, it's not too bulky, and also what I'm doing is I'm applying a what's that stuff called? Why did I just used to forget makeup names? What's it called? This is a mascara. Before this, I used something on my waterline, that's called a black gel liner. And so I'm using the Kiss Beauty mascara on my lower lashes just to try to add volume to these very short lashes, as you guys can see. Then I went into the orange that I used earlier for my eye work, and then I used it as my blush. I'm applying a dark shade of powder just to further contour my nose. Yes, but please don't make it too dark. That stuff can be weird. I don't want to use the word annoying, but it can be weird. Now for the eye look, this is something I love doing, lining my lip with a brown pencil. Nude is big anywhere in the world, but today we did not do nude. I decided to go for something else and not to do nude, so I'm using David's brow pencil. So I got this lip gloss from Kiss Beauty. I thought it was just a clear gloss, but unfortunately it has a little tint, which I actually did not like the result on my lip, to be sincere. So I went into I used a white eyeshadow base, like a white concealer, the inner part of my lip. That's why you guys are seeing that the lip is like this and not like this. But then I actually feel this one too is not bad though. Which one do you like? Comment down in the comment section. Whatever, guys. Whatever. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys in my next video. Subscribe, like, and drop a comment.